In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends no sound error. Now, if you're not having any sound on League of Legends, the first thing you should try is come up here to the settings. In here, go to sound and make sure you press enable sound. Now, for many people it's turned off, so make sure you enable this and make sure this is turned up your overall volume. Now look for all of these and make sure you have ticked them if you want the sound, the music ticked, and everything is turned up. After that, you can come down here, right click on your speakers and open sound settings. From in here, you can scroll down, choose app volume. In here, find your League of Legends and you can turn it up and down. Now make sure you have the correct devices as your speakers and everything in here, or you can try the default one. Now after you've done that, come down here again, press on sounds, playback, and find your default device. Now for me, it is my 7.1 surround sound, but if it's any of the others for you, you want to make sure you set them as the default. As you can see, default device. Head into properties and make sure they're turned up in here. Now once you've done that, what you can do is you can come to device manager, open it up, find audio input and output, find your default device, right click and update the driver. You can also right click disable and right click enable just to reset it real quick. Now if any of these don't work, you can come down here and search for troubleshoot, open up the troubleshoot, press additional troubleshooters. In here you want to choose playing audio and run the troubleshooter. Now hopefully any of these should help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.